This is a brand that is made in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. The units are only sold through a factory-authorized dealer network, and the warranty on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The 4DHV models are single-zone heat pumps that are used with high-wall indoor units. They have a cooling efficiency of up to 19 Seer, and both the indoor and outdoor units are very quiet. They have a self-cleaning function for the indoor coil to prevent any odors or mildew, but it requires manual initiation from the remote control. The Follow Me function allows the remote control to act as a thermostat to control the room temperature. The remote features a sleep mode for energy savings as well as a turbo mode for quick heating or cooling. The 4DHP2 models are premium heat pumps with an efficiency of up to 24 Seer and the ability to serve up to 5 zones. They offer both ceiling cassette and high-wall indoor units with 3-speed operation and an occupancy sensing remote for energy savings. The indoor units are extremely quiet with a sound rating below that of a whisper.